The world of robot vacuum cleaners is a mixed bag of similar-looking devices with a varying appeal and abilities. Choosing the right one can be tough, as not only are they expensive luxury items, their cleaning potential often isn't ample to negate the need for a standard vacuum cleaner. The Samsung VR7000 Powerbot, as its name suggests, looks to stand out from the crowd by delivering suction power that's above and beyond. Having let one loose in the house, we can genuinely say, in the best possible way, that this robo-vac truly sucks. Design features: removable and replaceable Li-ion battery, 21.6 V 38.8 Wh. Large wheels with good ground clearance. Self-cleaning brush system. Remote control included. Washable filter. LED display. 470x171x497 mm, 4.3 kgs. The design of the Samsung VR7000 Powerbot robot vacuum cleaner is striking. It's a smart-looking robot cleaner with almost painfully shiny surfaces which look great when you first get it out of the box, but soon become a magnet for dust and dirt particles as it goes about its chores. But at least you won't have to get mucky, eh? This robot vacuum includes a flat-nosed front which allows it to get close to edges and clean as closely as it can to the walls. Unlike other robot vacuum cleaners we've seen, this one doesn't include any front or edge brushes, but instead employs an auto shutter tool which runs along the flat front and sucks neatly at anything it comes into contact with. The underneath of the VR7000 Powerbot boasts a self-cleaning brush system. While most other robot vacuums, and standard vacuum cleaners for that matter, employ a bristled brush, this Samsung robot uses a rubberized brush system that pushes hair into little grooves along its length. This means the sweeping action isn't impacted as it cleans, and it gets a better clean constantly without the need for regular maintenance or hair pulling. We've been impressed with how well this system works and how little the brush needs to be freed of debris. Design highlights don't stop there either. The VR7000 also includes a washable filter built into the easily removable dust tray, which means you don't need to fork out extra for spare or replacement filters. The transparent top also allows you to see right into the dust tray and easily spot when it needs emptying, and it's easy to remove the tray and clean it out when necessary. The battery is also removable and replaceable, which theoretically adds greater longevity to this robo-vac should the battery wear down over months and years of use. That's a reassuring feature when you're spending a fair amount of money to purchase in the first place. Also in the box is a remote control, giving you the physical option to control the cleaner. Otherwise you can download the app, for iOS and Android, or even control the bot using your voice.